embark with IKC Crafting, where 1925's boldest ship defied the storm. Witness her legendary journey.
March 15, 1925. The IKC Crafting slides into the Elbe River from Hamburg's shipyards. A symbol of German innovation sets sail. Inside, engineers marveled at the advanced engines while crew prepared for uncharted routes. But nature challenged her. Dark clouds gathered as a fierce storm brewed in the North Sea. On board, the crew stood firm. Songs of determination rang out over the howling wind.
April 2nd. A massive wave tested her hull, threatening to overwhelm the ship. The ship held, her reinforced steel absorbing the blow, proving her design's strength.
Captain rallied the team, their spirits lifting as they fought to steady the vessel. Radio operators sent urgent calls, hoping nearby ships would hear their plea. The bow dipped, but a sharp turn saved her from capsizing into the abyss.
As dawn broke, the storm eased. IKC Crafting emerged, battered but victorious. Rescue vessels arrived, pulling 600 souls from the ordeal, grateful yet weary.
Was the route too bold? Some questioned the ship's untested design.